You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
Alright folks, on this quick episode of DIYNate, I'm going to be replacing my Volvo windshield wipers. This is an A966S Bosch Aerotwin. Apologies for the wind, I'll hopefully edit some of that out. But I had a hard time locating the right windshield wiper blades and the right package at the right price. I found these on Amazon. Came in a huge box, which was kind of comical considering it's just this small. But I will warn you, one of the gotchas on this project, I started this a couple weeks ago and ordered some wiper blades, and they didn't work out well. First, they didn't fit. Second, when I propped this wiper blade up, I ended up cracking my glass because I didn't know that it would snap back. There's a 24 and a 21 inch wiper, and this is for a Volvo XC90. We're going to start with this side since this is the one I already cracked the windshield on to make sure it works here. But I'm going to use a piece of cardboard, as I heard somebody else advise, that could absorb the impact of this. And in this case, there's going to be some tabs down here that you're going to squeeze. I've already dislocated this at some point, and I think I broke the tabs off. You can kind of feel that clutch, but you should have some tabs that you can squeeze, and we'll take your wiper off. We're going to swap that with a 21 inch wiper, and we're opening these Bosches up. I did look for other brands, other lower price options. This was about the cheapest I could find, but I will leave a link in the video description as always. Hopefully check your right sizing and make sure it shows us as a fit in Amazon. So here's my 21 inch, here's my 24. 24 is going to be on the driver's side. As you can see with these, there's this little squeeze tab. I think they call them a pinch tab. And so you're going to squeeze that, and then it should lock in place right there. So this should be pretty straightforward here. I'm just going to lift this up carefully. We're going to slide this in. Now we changed one wiper blade. That easy. Boy, considering I broke my windshield on it. The other thing is I did use some windshield glue. That line, it's a big one, but it is not in the driver's area, and this is an old car, high mileage, so I'm not too worried about that. Let's go to the other side and take a look at what we got over there. Okay, once again, we're going to go ahead and use the same approach. We're going to take these little squeeze tabs and use that, but to get it off, so over here, I'll put my cardboard down to keep it from popping. And depending which your style is, you may find it's got some different technique. This one, again, has seen better days. You may have to squeeze it to pop that off. Mine was kind of worn out already from my first attempt earlier. And then we're just going to take this, we're going to put this little tab in the front there. And once we've got it in position, we'll squeeze it up. You should hear it clamp into position. We'll squeeze these tabs up. Maybe. There we go. Now he's in position. We're good to go. And so we're going to set him gently back down. And we'll take the cardboard out. And our wipers have been replaced. So we feel pretty good about that. See, these guys were pretty beat up here. The material was wearing out and streaking across the glass. So definitely was time for a change. Really happy with these. These were a great fit. Again, for my Volvo XC90 2013, here it is, Bosch Aerotwin. Mine is the 2-pack. It's got a 600 millimeter or 24 inch, 530 millimeter, 21 inch. The model here is the A966S. Looks like a great fit on my car, and we're good to go. If this video helped you out, I would love to hear how your replacement went, and certainly would appreciate you ordering from my link in the video description. Helps my channel out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.